Hey, it's Michelle, aka Stunna, and welcome to Wakanda. Yes, I'm about to do a Black Panther inspired makeup look. If you don't know what Black Panther is, you must be living under a rock. It is the newest Marvel superhero film, and it is made of a black superhero and a black cast and black crew members, and it's really exciting to have representation in such a huge film, especially a superhero film. And it's just so exciting just for black kids to see a superhero that looks like them. And so that's, one of the main reasons why I'm really excited for this film. So I'm just going to work on my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the color Chocolate. And I'm just going to define the underline of my brow. And I'm going to extend the tail of my brow. Then I'm going to define the top part of my brow and complete the tail of my brow. And then I'm going to fill in that gap. I'm going to fill in the front of my brows. And then I'm going to brush that product through. Now I'm going to clean up my brows with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more of that concealer on my eyelids just to make a blank canvas for some of my eyeshadow. I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I'm going to go in with He Devil, the color He Devil. And let me show you the colors I used. So this color here, this color here is Cayenne. That's the color I used first. And then I went in and used this color here called He Devil. Now I'm going to go into Fuego, which is this color here. And I'm going to focus this color more on the outer corner of my eye. And also into the crease. And then I'm going to go in with the color Ashes, this color here. Now I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner. This is the color Onyx from Smashbox. I'm going to go in with the eyeliner smudger brush. Now I'm going to go and put some black down here in my waterline. Highlight my face using that Tarte Shape Tape again. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Magic in the Bottle. My Mary Kay CC Cream, Tinted CC Cream in the color Deep. And I'm gonna do a pump and a half of that, just for a tiny bit more coverage. And I'm just gonna stipple this in. And now I'm gonna go in and set all that with my Lancome powder in the color 510 Suede. I have 3 of these because these are like my favorite powders. So I have one that's a shade or 2 lighter than me, and I do that to set all of my areas where I conceal. And then I have a shade that's exactly my color, and then I have a shade that's 2 or 3 shades darker than me, which is what I use to contour. So I'm actually going to set those places that I highlighted first with that color that's a couple shades lighter than me. And I'm going to go in with the color 560 Suede to contour. I'm gonna put some underneath my chin to just define it a little bit more. This is a good trick for you sisters who might need a little help in the double chin department like myself. Ain't no shame in my game at all. And I'm gonna go in with the shade that's my color. And I'm just gonna powder around everywhere else. All the places that I missed with the highlight shade or the contour shade, I'm gonna go in with that other powder. Of course, I'm gonna highlight my face. But first, I'm actually gonna use some blush. So for this special occasion, this Black Panther inspired makeup, this Welcome to Wakanda makeup, I'm gonna use this purple blush color. Now it's not gonna be super duper purple on me. I don't think. We're gonna find out together. So I'm gonna smile and just put them on the apples of my cheeks. Ooh, I love it. I love that color so much. Oh my God. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God, I love that. So now I'm gonna highlight my face using my Estee Lauder highlight in Shimmering Sands. Looks like that. So I'm just gonna tap this on the top of my cheekbones. Yes, God. Yes. I'm living for this. You don't even know. Y'all don't even know. I'm living. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it down my nose. I'm gonna put some right above my brow bone. See that? Gorgeous. And I'm also gonna put some in the corner of my eye, in my tear duct area. I'm getting real excited now because it's looking so cute. All right, I'm gonna go in with that purple blush color that I used. And I'm gonna go underneath here. Now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. And of course I'm using one of my favorite mascaras, the Lancome Definitive Mascara. Okay, of course we're gonna do something with these lips, right? So in true Black Panther form, I'm gonna use the MAC lipstick in Pure Heroine, which is this gorgeous purple. And this is just the perfect color and the name of a color for this look. So beautiful. Oh my god. I love it. And this is the final look. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, go ahead and give me a big heart. Share this video with your friends. I know a lot of your friends are going to see the Black Panther, so share this video with them so they can get an idea of what makeup look that they're going to try for the premiere. And this was a bonus video. I only do one video a week, but this was a bonus video for a very special occasion. So make sure that you like my page, Stunning Face Makeup. In case you didn't know, I am a makeup artist in Columbus, Indiana. And I also do one-on-one makeup classes. So you can book an appointment with me for that. Or, you know, if you need a makeup artist for a wedding, a special event, a birthday, fashion shows, photo shoots, anything, I am available. Yeah. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.